Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing how I did these long passion twists. They're so pretty, and if you want to learn how to do them on your own and not have to pay anybody like $100, $200 for some easy little twists, just keep on watching.
Aye, boy. Aye, bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big TDD, double DDs.
Okay y'all, so I'm coming to y'all with my hair blow dried, and I'm just showing y'all how I do my first twist. I just want to let y'all know that this twist was pure trash because I didn't do it right, but I learned how to do my twists the right way and how to make them stay. So just keep watching the video. I just want to show y'all my progress, you know what I'm saying? Alright, now that I finished the twist, as you can see, it just unraveled, looks crazy. But I'm just showing y'all my first twist because I was just excited, and you can see that's down in my butt. But just keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all, I promise. It's gonna look better, I promise. Just keep watching. Okay guys, so I figured out how to get my twist to stay, and these are the twists halfway done. Very, very long. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I get these twists. So first thing I'm going to do is part my hair, kind of in a little box, even though my parts aren't that perfect, but sort of in a box. Then I'm going to add some edge control to the root to get it very sleek, and then just braid it down like a little box braid. And when I'm braiding my hair, I'm making sure that it's not too tight, just tight enough so that my twist can have a nice base to it so that they won't be slipping out and stuff like that. Okay, now that I'm finished with my braid, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch out the curly hair. So I'm gonna grab me 2 strands, and I'm going to take the first strand, pull it down to the desired length I want, and then take the other strand and pull it to around the same length. Next, I'm going to take my crochet hook and stick it right through my braid. Next, I'm just going to set the curly hair on the crochet hook and close the latch. Then I'm just going to pull it right through my hair. Next, you're going to take your hair plus the curly hair through that loop, and you're going to pull it nice and tight. Alright y'all, now I'm just going to get my edge control, put it on my hair, and just start twisting. I'm twisting really tight, and I'm getting edge control in between every few twists that I do. You want to get edge control so that it keeps your hair secured and laid inside your twist. And you're just going to keep twisting down and make sure you're doing it very tight. Sometimes I would use some locking cream, but it doesn't work as well as just using edge control. So I would recommend getting some edge tamer or any edge control that you really, really like, and just use that while doing your twists. So you're just going to keep twisting all the way down until you get near the end where the curls are. You're going to keep using that edge control. You're going to keep twisting. And then when you get to the very, very end, you're going to take the edge control and seal the end and kind of like wrap it around your finger. And then you're just going to let it go slowly, and then you have your twist. Okay, you guys, I'm coming back with y'all. I'm almost done. As you can see, your girl is tired. I pre-braided them because I didn't want to have to do that tomorrow. And it's just, that's the hard part. Like, that's the most work, to be honest. So I just wanted to get it over and out the way. So now I'm going to put it up into a bun for the night and just tie it down to make sure everything won't get frizzy the next day or whatever. So I'm just going to put it in a nice ponytail. All right, I'm just going to keep pulling that hair through. As you can see, I was really struggling. I struggled through life. I'm just a struggling female. So you just keep pulling it through, or whatever. And then you're just going to start wrapping it around into a little bun. Just keep wrapping it around and keep wrapping it until you have a little bun, which is really cute, actually, you know. So then I'm going to take the scarf and I'm going to put the silky side on my hair, wrap it around, and then tie it in the back and go to bed. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. I took out that bun and that scarf and I did most of them. I went to go get the hair from the hair store that I needed. And we're on our last one. I had to re-braid one because it came unbraided because I didn't braid it far enough. So I'm just re-braiding it. Remember to put that edge control at the root of your hair and just start braiding it down far enough this time so it doesn't come unraveled. So I'm just going to keep braiding, and keep braiding down so it doesn't come undone. By the way, I want to remind y'all that my parts are not perfect. They actually look crazy, but the twists are still really cute. So let's just ignore the parts, okay? So I'm just showing y'all how I stretched the hair once again, but this time with 3 strands. The reasoning behind this is because I had to get a different brand and I wanted the fullness to look the same. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. And now I'm just taking the crochet hook and sticking it through my hair. Then I'm going to put the curly hair onto the crochet hook. Then I'm going to close the latch and just pull it right through. By the way, if you see me looking at the TV, it's because I'm watching The Flash, because The Flash is that show, period, poo, you feel me? But yeah, that's why I'm looking at the TV. Next, I'm going to take my hair plus the curly hair and pull it through that loop. Remember to make it tight and snug so that your twist will be secure. Alright, now I'm just going to start twisting my hair. Remember to get edge control in between your twists to make sure that they stay tight, secure, make sure they don't unravel. And again, I just want to emphasize, make sure your twists are tight. Because if you don't, they going to unravel, sis. And I don't want that for you because then you're going to have to redo the twist and that's just annoying. But just remember to keep twisting down, make sure they're tight, keep your edge control handy so that your twist will come out nice and cute. Okay, you're just going to keep twisting until you get to the end. Keep twisting down, keep twisting down. You're going to get that last bit of edge control for your end. And you're just going to kind of wrap it around your finger at the end and slowly let it bounce back up. And then you have your twists. And they look really good. It was my first time ever doing them myself. I decided to do this method instead of the rubber bands because rubber bands be breaking off your hair. And you already know, don't nobody have time to be breaking off their hair, you know. But yeah, I'm just giving y'all a view of how it looks. And you know, they came out really cute. Like I really love them, you know. Next, I'm going to be taking some Lotta Body mousse and putting it all down my hair so that it can be shiny, no flyaways, okay? Because you want your twist to look perfect, boo. You know what I'm saying? Alright, next I'm going to be putting some jewels on my hair. These are optional, you already know. But I'm going to put seashells on my hair because they're so cute. It gives you that like Jamaican vibe, you know, with the twist, you know what I'm saying? And they're just cute. So yeah, I'm going to put some seashells on my hair and some other jewels on my hair. And I just really, you know, want that vibe, that like Jamaican vibe. I'm on an island vibe, you know what I'm saying? And I was just really feeling myself. Like, after I put these jewels on, I was like, somebody fly me to Jamaica. Like, what? Okay, y'all, and this is the final result. They're so cute. They're so long, pretty. As you can see, my parts, trash. But the twist, cute. So, I really like them. They're super long. Yeah, I stood up to show y'all how long they were. But, yeah, they're just super cute. I hope y'all really like this video and y'all watch more of my videos. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.